Welcome to my YouTube channel Advanced Learning Center. This is the disclaimer of this video. Today we will be discuss about the modern communication system. Subject code it is 605. This is elective subject for the 6 semesters. This question paper was come in the year 2022. Myself Tashir Ali Sheikh. So contents of this video is modern communication system question paper of 2022. This question paper was come in the all Assam Polytechnic admission. Solution of MCA part A, that is solution of question number 1, write true or false. Solution of question number 2, fill in the blanks. Solution of question number 3, choose the correct answer. So this is the question paper that was came in the year 2022. So there are 10 questions in true or false, and 10 questions for fill in the blanks, and question choose the correct answer. There is 5. So there are two part A and part B. Part A is 25 marks and part B is 45 marks, total 70 marks. So this is part B. There are 5. You have to attempt any 5 questions from part B. Each question carries 9 marks. So let's see solution of question number 1, that is true or false. So see question number 1A. Solstice occurs once a year. Whether this statement is true or false. This statement is false because solstice occurs twice in a year. Next question is a key is a set of numbers on which the zipper operates. So this statement is true or false. So here this statement is true because a key is set of numbers on which zippers are operate. Okay. So next question is in a transposition cipher, input bits are encrypted by rotation method. So this statement is false because in transposition cipher, input bits are encrypted by shifting each letter, not by rotations. So this statement is false. That's why. Next question is single mode fibers can carry light only in one path. So this statement is true because in single mode fiber the light beams are transmitted from source to destination in one path by following one path. Photodiode converts electrical signal into optical signal. So this statement is false because photodiode converts optical signal to electrical signals. So this statement is false. So next, MIN is a 10-digit unique number. Yes, MIN mobile identification number is a 10-digit number. So this statement is true. Next question is splice is a temporary join used in a fiber connection. So this statement is false because splice here, this splice is not a temporary, it is a permanent or semi-permanent join in fiber connections. Frequency reuse increase the capacity of the channel. So this statement is true because within a same frequency, same bandwidth, the same number of channel can allocate in the different locations. So this increases in frequency reuse increases the capacity of the channel. So this statement is true. In case of LED, the PN junction should be forward bias. Yes, this statement is also true because PN LED works on the principle on forward bias junction only. So when a user moves from one cell to another cell, handoff is required. So this statement is true or false because when one user moves from one cell to another cell, handoff is required. So this statement is true. Next, question number 2, fill in the blanks. So next, see what's the question. Apogee is a point on the satellite situated at dash point from the earth. So apogee is a farthest point from the situated from the earth, because apogee is located farthest from the earth surface. Dash are basically used to carry the spacecraft to space. So launcher or launch vehicles that are basically used to carry the spacecraft to the space. For complete coverage of Earth, we need at least dash geo satellite. For complete coverage, we need at least 3 numbers of satellites. So next question, Caesar cipher is an example of dash cipher. Caesar cipher is an examples of ship cipher. So the light gathering capacity of the fiber can be represented by dash. So the light gathering capacity of a fiber can be represented by numerical aperture. So in fiber optics communication, that is OFC, light travels through the fiber by the principle of total internal reflection. With the base of or with the principles of total internal reflections, in a fiber optics communication system, light travels from sender to receiver. The plain text of JSB, HD, IBO, DGI when decrypted by shifted cipher with 5 key downwards. So the answer will be, because it will be start from the next 5 numbers. So here see this one. So if we here will be 5. So Z S B H D. So start will be from I B O D J I. So that's why I have start from I B O D G I, and next number will be shifted. So that is Z S B H D B. So correct answer is this one. Okay. Next question is, in dash key cryptography, 2 different keys are used, that is public key and private key. In public key cryptography, 2 different keys are used, that is public key and private key. Photo detector should have dash response. Photo detector should have fast response. This is one of the characteristics of photo detectors. So dash is a connectionless switching technique. So packet switching is a connectionless switching technique. So if you remember the packet switching techniques we have studied, that times we have seen that packet switching does not require or make any connection before sending the information. So that's why it is called connectionless packet switching techniques. Next is solution of question number 3, that is choose the correct answer from the multiple option. So first question is, FDMA is used in dash system, analog system, digital system, both analog and digital, and none of this above. If you remember, we have seen the you have studied the different generations, that times FDMA used in the analog system. So option 1 is correct answer. So communication satellite is a dash satellite, artificial satellite, natural satellite, man-made satellite, none of this. So communication satellite is nothing but it is an artificial satellite. So that is option 1 is correct answer. An optical fiber is made of dash material, glass, plastic, copper, glass or plastic. So an optical fiber is made of glass only, that is silica glass. So that is one type of glass. So option 1 is correct. Which process of the electron hole pair is responsible for emission of light in LED? Generation, movement, recombination, and diffusion. So when 2 electrons and hole pair are recombined in the LED process, the heat will be generated, and based on the heat the LED will be glow. So recombination is the correct answer, that is option 3. In a cryptography, the order of the letter in a message are rearranged by transposition cipher, substitution cipher, both of them quadratic cipher. So option 1 is the correct answer, because in a cryptography the order of the letter in the message are rearranged by the transposition cipher. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends.